Hey, Jerry from Attention to Detail Auto Services. My name is John Nicholas and I'm with NJ SEO Marketing. Today I'm shooting this quick video to show you the benefits of having a website. You do currently have a Facebook website, which is good when you have a website because if you link your Facebook to your website, it actually gives you more trust in the eyes of Google. But now I'm going to go over three things that benefit you with websites and three things that you should implement when having a website. So, for the first thing, I want to show you your competitor's website. This is your top competitor in the Morgantown, North Carolina area for detailing services. This is your top competitor. Their website is actually not that great. It could be outranked and built better by me. Like I could build you a better website than this and give you good service pages as well. And I could also do SEO work on it as well. But the one thing I want to talk to you about with websites is content, right? What content is basically how many words you guys have per page, how many keywords you guys have per page, and how many pictures you guys have that are saved under keywords. For example, for your main page, you want to have roughly around 1,500 to 2,500 words, and on your sub pages, you want to have anywhere from 1,000 words as well. What that allows you to do, the more words you have, the more keywords you guys will be able to implement into your website as well. And what a keyword is basically a search term that's being searched by people who are looking for your services. So the more keywords you guys have in your website, the higher search volume you guys will get as well. And when I was talking about pictures, see this picture right here? If this picture is not saved under a keyword, it is not doing anything for them at all. It is saved under their company name, which is helping their name get out there. But if it was saved under a keyword, then this picture will be helping their website get ranked as well. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. What a citation is basically the name of your company as it is on Google, phone number and address listed in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Facebook. As you can see, you guys are actually in the second spot on the Google My Business Map Pack, which is really good. You guys are in a high position right there. Visual Perfection, the company I just showed you, are in the number one spot. And even though you are in the second spot in the Google My Business Map Pack, you want to be in the first spot. People always choose the first company they see, and they go with the first company they see as well. And the way you do that is by duplicating their citations and implementing more citations so that you don't only outrank them, but you make sure that they don't catch up to you as well. And third thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. Backlinks affect your website greatly. The more backlinks you guys have, the higher your website will get ranked and the more power it will have as well. The thing about backlinks though is not all backlinks that create equal. Some are more powerful than others depending on how relevant they are to your website. The more relevancy it has, the more power it will bring and the higher you will be ranked as well. And you always want to outbeat your competitors, make sure you have more backlinks than them. But if you do have stronger backlinks than them, then you won't need as many as they have to get ranked. So those are the three things about websites that I have for you. Last thing I want to show you is the cool tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs. Right here, I'm going to visual representation. I'm just taking a quick look at them. So this is their company. I can show you how many referring domains they have. They have 20, giving them 72 backlinks, and that gives them organic traffic of 50. And they have 34 keywords, which is 34 words that they're being searched for each month. And so with the 72 backlinks, that gives them organic traffic of 50. That's 50 people that are on their website each month. UR, what a UR is basically how powerful your link is, and DR is how trusted you are in the eyes of Google. Like I said before, you having that Facebook page will help you get more trust in the eyes of Google and help you get ranked higher as well. And some of these keywords that this guy has are compared to like other towns around him. That's why it's very important. If you want to branch out to other cities around you, include them as well. That will actually give you more keywords and more search volume each month, and then that will also produce more clients each month. So that's why keywords is very important. You gotta get the right keywords to match the right area, so that you don't get someone who's all the way in California that's looking for a detail service, but you will get people who are in North Carolina looking for your services. So those are the tips that I have for you there today, Jared. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. If you're interested in what I have to offer, reach out to me as well. I wish you luck, and if you want to run with any other information that I provided with you here today, please feel free to do so. But other than that, I hope you have a good day, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.